So we're going to talk about compass error. What is compass error? Compass error is combining the deviation and the variation and coming up with a quicker, shorter way to go from true to compass or compass to true. So let's suppose that we had a true course of 114 degrees. And the variation for the area that we're in on the chart is 12 degrees west. We know that we're going to add west when we're going from true to compass, so we would get 126 degrees for our magnetic. If the deviation chart for our vessel is 2 degrees to the east, we know we would be subtracting 2. We would get 124 degrees for our per ship's compass or per magnetic compass course to steer. If we did it in the opposite direction, if we had a compass course and our compass course was 124 degrees, our deviation is 2 degrees to the east. Now we're going to add east, which is going to give us 126 degrees magnetic, and our variation for the area is 12 degrees to the west. We're going to subtract that 12. It's going to give us a true course of 114 degrees. To create compass error, what we're going to do is we're going to take variation and deviation and combine them. And if we're going to do that, we're going to do the larger of the directions is going to be what our direction is going to be. So if we have 12 degrees westerly and 2 degrees easterly, and we combine them, we're going to subtract that 2, and it's going to give us a 10-degree westerly compass error. The same thing would occur here. We have our 12-degree westerly. We have our 2 degrees easterly for our deviation. It's going to give us 10 degrees to the west for our compass error. So what would happen is we would have a true course compass error, and it would bring us to per ship's compass. If our true course was 114 degrees and our combined compass error we said was 10 degrees westerly, we would be adding that westerly, so our ship's compass would now be 124 degrees that we would steer in order to make good our course of 114 degrees true. So all compass error is combining the deviation and the variation using whichever direction is the greater, 12 degrees westerly, 2 degrees easterly. We subtract because they're not like, we get 10 degrees, and we use the larger number. 10 degrees west would be our compass error. And that's all compass error is, and that's all it does.